air cannon with sharpened projectile versus 2 pieces of steel in 3, 2, 1. What's up YouTube, it's MeTube. I've been wanting to build an air cannon for the longest time. And today, I have done it. I want this thing to set some records, and it has. Now it's not the world's biggest air cannon, because that's probably mounted on a semi-truck shooting pumpkins somewhere in Iowa. It is the world's most dangerous air cannon, and it is awesome. Three, 2, 1, 0. Today we are joined by the most intrepid explorer in human history as he continues the search for the missing dowel rod. Bjorn Bjornsson has spent 3 months searching this Arctic wasteland for a small length of pine. That was honestly not very impressive, but this will be better. Who needs an air drill when you got this set up? See that? A nice clean hole. Okay, I really think it should be able to penetrate these 2 pieces of steel with the end sharpened. So we have air cannon with sharpened projectile versus 2 pieces of steel in 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Look at that hole. Look at that hole. Ah! Yeah! Look at that. See that chainsaw? That means I really should be splitting firewood instead of playing with an air cannon. But I can do both at the same time. That's why we have air cannon trying to split firewood in 3, 2, 1, split! You can see it was a broadside hit. And now I have to go straighten my projectile. Yeah! Yeah! Last time trying to split firewood was kind of a failure. The projectile hit broadside and it got lost. So we're going to do it better. At least we're going to do it again. In 3, 2, 1, split! Kaboom! That bathtub right there has a charmed life. It has been newly hit so many times, but never actually hit once. We're gonna try this chunk of firewood in 3, 2, 1, split! My aim is not what it should be. We'll do that again. Yeah! That's one tough piece of wood right there. The other pieces of steel I've tried have been pretty wimpy, so I'm going to use it on this old bumper. Will it go through? Comment down below if you think it will go through. And now, we have sharpened steel rod versus 5/16 inch steel plate in 3, 2, 1, my. So you can see where it hit right there, and here on the opposite side, don't know if you can see it, but I can definitely feel it. A bump. Now, we gotta go find the projectile. It's the next day now. I hope you liked the video. I had all kinds of fun putting it together. But I think there's a lot of room for improvement, so in the next part of this series, we're going to be optimizing that air cannon and seeing if we can't get the muzzle velocity a little higher. In fact, we're going to be going for the sound barrier. So if you want to see that, stick around, like, and subscribe. So that's all I've got. I'll see you next time. Subscribe.